Because you only have limited field data, measurements, you actually can use a computer-based model to study the flows in Spencer Gulf and Gulf St. Vincent. Okay, and here I show you the results of a numerical model, computer-based model, that includes all the key features. And it includes the tides, it includes the heat fluxes, it includes the rainfall. Okay, and you can use now you can compare it with the observations. So on the left-hand side are the real observations, and on the right-hand side are the model predictions. And this is what you find in June. Okay, so we are in the winter. Here we're going into the late winter times, and where you get the outflow, and you can compare the salinities, and the structures are very, very similar. Okay, very similar structures. Okay. That's how you can study the outflow and indeed also the inflow. We come back to the model later on because we will actually use the same model here to illustrate what we mean by flushing. Flushing of an inverse estuary. Okay, so now what happens in summer? In summer it's different. And what you actually get in summer is you actually get a summertime blockage of the exchange flow. So the exchange flows actually stop during summer. And what you get, what's shown here is you get actually a front, a temperature front. So what's shown here is the satellite observation of sea surface temperature. And you can see at the entrance of Spencer Gulf, there's a transition between the warm water that you find inside the Gulf, okay, exceeding 22 degrees, and the colder water that you find on the shelf. Okay, and what actually creates this front is actually the upwelling that we have, the upwelling system that develops during this. And here's the model simulation. Looks a little bit weird in black and white, but black means warm, and white means cold. And you get this the front. Okay, this is a front. Limited exchange, no inflow, no outflow. Okay, so this is the time where the exchange is blocked. So why is this? Why do you get the summertime blockage? Okay. Let's have a look at the seasonal cycle of temperature and salinity. Okay, and that comes on the next slide.